So good day sir, today I'm going the second course output, which is the subnetting of networks. So here's the given network topology. So the network topology is composed of 3 routers, and each router has 2 end devices, a total of 6 PC. So the given network address is 192.168.0.0. So in order to subnet this network, so kailangan natin muna i-arrange ang kanyang number of hosts from highest to lowest. So the highest number of hosts is 900, followed by 750 hosts. Next is the 350 hosts, followed by 150 hosts, then 125, then 50. So we will input the number of hosts. So first is the 900 hosts. Next is the 765 hosts. 765. And next is the 350 hosts. 350. The next is the 150 followed by 125. So 150, then 125, and 50. The next is the 3 routers. So equivalent ng 3 routers is 2. So router 1 is 2, number of hosts 2, also in the router 2. Then sa router 3 is number of hosts is 2. So next thing to do is we will need to get the CIDR and the theta. So on how to get the CIDR and the theta, we will need the subnet table. So we'll need the subnet table. So here is the subnet table. So sa number of hosts, which is the 900, unahin natin yung 900. So number of hosts of 900 is na-accommodate niya is /22. So ito, so /22, then theta is, yung theta is 0.0.4.0, 0.0.4.0. The next is the 765 hosts. So same sila ng 900. So /22, then theta is 0, theta is 0.0.4.0. The next is the 350 hosts. So 350, so ang kanyang CIDR, so ang kanyang CIDR is nasa /23. So /23. Then kanyang theta is 0.0.2.0. Theta 0.0.2.0. The next is the 150, number of hosts of 150. So kanyang number of hosts is /24. So kanyang theta is /24, ito 0.0.1.0. So theta is 0.0.1.0. The next is the 125 hosts. So ang kanyang CIDR is 25. So 25/25. Then ang kanyang theta is 0.0.0.120. 0.0.0.128. Double check natin. slash 25 is under 0.0.0.128. Then next is the 50, number of hosts 50. So 50, so ito slash 26 slash 26. So ang kanyang theta is slash 26 slash 26 0.0.0 0.0.0.64 0.0.64. The next is the router 1. So router 1, number of hosts niya is 30. So ito, kanyang theta is 0.0.4 0.0.0.4. So slash 30 slash 30, then cdar ay theta 0.0.0.4. So same sila ng router 2 and router 3. So copy na lang natin. Ang kanyang theta is 0.0.0.4, that's 0.0.0.4. So copy na lang natin. The next is the network address. So the given network address is 192.168.0. So the first network address is 192.168.0.0. So next natin is kung paano makukuha yung next na network address is i-add natin yung theta. So 192.168 4.0. Then next is 4 plus 4, so magiging 192.168.8.0. So copy na lang natin para mabilis. So next is 192.168.10. So 8 plus 2 is 10, so magiging 10.0. And next is 192.168. 10 plus 1, so magiging 11.0. Then next is 192.168. So plus natin yung 192.168.11, then dito na is i-add natin yung 128 sa kanyang theta. So 192.168.11.128. Then next is 192.168 plus 128 plus 64 is 192. So 192.168.11.192. And next is 192 plus 4 is magiging 196. So 192.168.11.196. So for the last is 196 plus 4 sa kanyang theta is magiging 192.168.11.200. So next is on how to derive the first usable IP address. So simple lang. So kukunin natin yung network address. So magpa-plus tayo ng 1. So magiging 192.168.0.0.1. So next is the broadcast address of number of hosts of 900. So ang kanyang broadcast address is kukunin natin yung next na network address, then next network address, so mag-minus tayo ng 1 sa kanya. So dahil mag-minus tayo dahil so kung paano nakuha yung broadcast address is simply we will I will get the 192.168.4.0 na next network address para maging so magiging 192.168.3.255. So if you will count, magiging ang next network address nito is 192.168.4.0. So ito yan. So same for us. The next is the last usable IP address. So before ng 192.168.3.255 is magiging 192.168.3.254. So before ng 255 is 254. So next is the network address, first usable IP address ng 765 hosts. So simply add 1, so magiging 192.168.4.1. So broadcast address is kunin natin yung next na network address. So 192.168.7.255. That's 7.255. So last usable IP address is 192.168.7.254. And next is the number of hosts of 350. So ang kanyang first usable IP address, so mag-add ulit tayo ng 1. So 192.168.10.1. So the broadcast address is kunin natin yung next. So 192.168.9.255. So last usable IP address is 192.168. Last usable IP address is 192.168.9.254. Mali sa, so double check. So correction. So ito is 192.168.8.8.1. So next broadcast address is 192.168.10. So double check. 192.168.9.254. So next is the network address. So next is the 150 host. So ang kanyang first usable IP address is 192.168.10.1. So next is the broadcast address. So the next network address is 192.168. That's 192.168.10.255. Then last usable IP address is 192.168.254. The next is the number of hosts of 125. So kanyang network address is 192.168.11. So mag-add tayo ng 1 para sa kanyang first usable IP address. So 192.168.11.1. 11.1. So next is the broadcast address. So get the next network address, then minus 192.168.10 dot 255. So the last broadcast address is 192 dot 192 192.168.11. Mali. So the correction, 192.168 dot, yung sa kanyang broadcast address is 192.168.11.127. So 192.168.127, then ang kanyang last usable IP address is 192.168.168.11.126. The next is the number of hosts of 50. So network address niya is 192.168.11.128. So kunin natin. So magiging 192. Ang kanyang first usable address is 192.168.11.129. So broadcast address is the next network address is 192.168.11.191. 191. So kanyang last usable IP address is 192.168.11.190. Then next router 1. So network address niya is 192.168.11.192. So magpa-plus tayo ng 1 para sa first usable IP address. So 192 plus 1 is 193. So next is the network address. So next to get is the broadcast address. So kunin natin yung network address na next. So magiging 192.168.11.195. Then last usable IP address is 192.168.194. So next is the router 2. So network address niya is 192.168.11.196. So magiging first usable IP address niya is 192.168.11.197. So next broadcast address. So broadcast address niya is 192.168.11.199. So next is the last usable IP address. So magiging 192.168.11.198. And next is next is the network address, the router 3. So network address niya is 192.168.11.200. So plus tayo ng 1, so magiging 201. Then broadcast address is 192. Broadcast address niya is 192. So dito is magiging 192.168.11.203. So next is ang kanyang last usable IP address is 192.168.11.202. 202. So double check. 192.16. So next, dito na tayo sa kanyang addressing scheme. So first thing to do is alawin muna natin kung saan nakalocate yung fast Ethernet 0 under router 1. So ito. So fast Ethernet, fast Ethernet 0/0. So ito is fast Ethernet 0/0 is nasa 350 host, so PC2. So kunin natin yung first usable IP address ng PC2 of 365 hosts. 350 hosts. So 350 hosts. So kunin natin yung first usable IP address niya. So first usable IP address. So magiging 192.168.8.1. The next subnet mask, so 350 is CIDR niya is 23. So 23 na rin natin yung 23. So ito 255. So subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.254.0. So ito. The next is yung fast Ethernet 1. Fast Ethernet 1. Fast Ethernet 0/1. Fast Ethernet 0/1. Fast Ethernet 0. Fast Ethernet 0/1. Then fast Ethernet 0/1. Fast Ethernet 0/1. So next is the fast Ethernet 1. So fast Ethernet 1 is under 125 hosts. So 125 hosts is under PC5. So 125 hosts. Kunin natin yung sa router 1 of fast Ethernet 1, kunin natin yung last usable IP address. So last usable IP address ng 125 hosts. 125 hosts. So kunin natin yung last usable IP address ng 125. So 125. So ang kanyang IP address is 192.168.11.126. So next is the subnet mask. So 125 is under /25. So subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.128. So next is the serial connection. Serial connection 0/0/0. So dito is serial connection. Ay, mali. So sa fast Ethernet 1, fast Ethernet mali. Sa fast Ethernet 1 is kukunin natin ulit yung sa router 1 is kukunin natin yung fast Ethernet, yung fast Ethernet 1 is under PC5 125 hosts. So kunin ulit natin yung first usable pala. So first usable IP address ng 125. So delete natin to. one 192.168.11.1 yung first usable IP address ng 125. So yun yung magiging IP address nya. Yung subnet mask is 255.255.255.128. Next is the serial connection. So serial connection 0/0/0. So ito ay 0/0 under serial connection 0/0/ is kukunin natin yung last usable IP address ng router 1. Last usable IP address ng router 1. Last usable IP address router 1. Last usable IP address. So IP address ng serial connection 0/0/0 is 192.168.11.194. So subnet mask, so under /30, so subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. So copy na lang natin. And next is the serial connection of 0/0/0/1. So serial connection, kunin natin since TCE, so kunin natin yung first usable IP address ng router 3. First usable IP address ng IP3 router 3. So serial connection IP address, serial connection 0/0/1 is 192.168.11.201. Then subnet mask is the same for the 255.255.255.252. Then next to the router 2. So sa router 2 is router 2. Sa router 2, yung serial connection of 0/0/0. So kukunin natin dito router 2 sa kanyang serial connection 0/0/0. So kukunin natin yung first usable IP address ng router 1. First usable IP address ng router 1. First usable IP address ng router 1. Ito. 192.168.11.193. 192.168.11.193. Then next is yung serial connection ng 0/0/1. So dito is kunin natin yung last usable IP address ng router 3. Last usable IP address ng router 3. So ito. Last usable IP address ng router 3. So the last the IP address is 192.168. Last usable IP address ng router 3. Router 3. Or mali. Ang router 2. Router 2. Last usable IP address ng router 2. Last usable IP address. Router 2. So 192.168.11.193. 198. 198. Next is the fast Ethernet 0. Wait, double check. Fast Ethernet. Tama. Subnet mask ng serial connection ng, so subnet mask is same for the 255.255.252, 255.255.255.252. Same. The next is yung fast Ethernet. Fast Ethernet 0/0 is fast Ethernet 0/0. So 765 hosts under PC1, 765 hosts. So kukunin natin yung first usable IP address ng 765 hosts sa kanyang IP address. So IP address is 192.168.4.1. Then subnet mask is /22 255.252.0. And next is the fast Ethernet 0/1. So fast Ethernet 0/1 is 150 hosts under PC4, 150 hosts. So kukunin natin yung first usable IP address. First usable IP address. And subnet mask is 150. Subnet mask is /24. So ito. .255.255.255.0. Next is the router 3. Router 3. So fast Ethernet 0/0. Fast Ethernet 0/0. Router 3. So 900 hosts. So under PC 6, 900 hosts. So kunin natin yung first usable IP address. First usable IP address. Then subnet mask is /22. So 255.255.25 I mean 255.255.252.0. 255.255.252.0. The next is the fast Ethernet 0/1. So the 50 hosts under PC3. 50, kunin natin yung first usable IP address para maging IP address ng fast Ethernet 0/1. So 192.168.11.129. Then subnet mask is under 20. Seeder niya is 26. So subnet mask is ito 255.255.255.192. So copy na lang natin. The next is yung serial connection ng 0/0 /0. So dito is serial connection 0 DCE. So kunin natin yung first usable IP address. First usable IP address ng first usable IP address ng router 2. Router 2. So first usable IP address ng router 2 is 192.168.11.197. Then subnet mask is under /30. So eto 255.255.255.252. So copy na lang natin para mabilis. And next is the serial connection of 0/0/1. So dito ay kukunin natin yung last usable IP address ng router 3. Last usable IP address ng router 3. So ito 192.168.11.202, and subnet mask is the same. So kasi under siya ng CEDAR niya is 30. So yan. Then next is PC0. So based here in the network topology, wala tayong PC0, kaya magiging lalagay na lang natin is NA, subnet mask NA, and default gateway is NA. So next is the PC1 to PC6. So sa PC1 under 765 hosts, kukunin natin yung first usable IP address ng 765 hosts. So kunin natin yung first usable IP address para maging IP address nya. Then next is yung kanyang subnet mask is /22. So /22 is 255.255.252.0. Ay, mali. So sa IP address pala ng PC1 is kukunin natin yung last usable IP address. So correction lang po. Sa PC1, kanyang IP address ay kukunin natin sa last usable IP address ng 765 hosts. So ito 192.168.7.254. Then next, kanyang default gateway is yung first usable IP address ng 765 hosts. So 192.168.4.1. Then next is the PC2. So PC2 is 350 hosts. Kunin natin yung last usable ng 350 hosts, last usable IP address. Then lagay natin sa IP address ng PC2. So subnet mask nya is under slash 23 tama. First kunin natin yung first usable IP address nya para maging default gateway. So subnet mask nya is /23. So kunin natin ito 255.255.254.0. And next is the PC3. PC3 is under 50 hosts. PC3 50 hosts. So kunin natin yung last usable IP address. So ito 192.168.11.190. So subnet mask under CEDAR 26. So subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. And next is the default gateway. Kunin natin yung first usable IP address na 150 hosts. First usable. So kanyang default gateway is 192.168.11.190. 129. The next is the PC4. So PC4 is 150 hosts. 150 hosts. So kunin natin yung last usable IP address. 50 hosts. Last usable IP address. And gawin natin sa IP address niya is 192.168.10.254. Subnet mask is ito PC4 150 hosts 150 so /24 so subnet mask is 192.168 I mean 255.255.255.0 255.255.255.0. The next is yung kanyang default gateway. So kunin natin yung first usable IP address. First usable. So 192.168.10.1. The next is the PC5. 125 host siya, 125. So kunin natin yung last usable IP address, yung 192.168.11.126. Next is yung default gateway. So 125 PC5 is under 21 /25 yung kanyang CDR. So /25. So subnet mask is 255.255.255.128. 255.255.255.128. Then kanyang default gateway is yung first usable IP address ng 125 hosts. So default gateway niya is 192.168.11.1. Then last is the PC6. So PC6 is under 900 hosts. So kunin natin yung last usable IP address ng 900 hosts para sa kanyang IP address. Then next is yung subnet mask. So subnet mask, so CDR niya is 22. So subnet mask is 255.255.252.0. 255.255.252.0. Then default gateway, kunin natin yung first usable IP address ng 190 hosts ay ng 900 hosts. So ito giging 192.168.0.1. So double check, IP address niya is 192.168.1. Then 254. The 10.1. So subnet mask. So here's the completed subnetting of networks. So subnetting table is ganda. The next addressing scheme. So that's it, sir. Thank you. See, and that's it, sir. Thank you.